In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design email newsletters in Photoshop that get opened and clicked using a simple workflow that keeps your layout clean, readable, and mobile friendly. And if you want more fast, practical design tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and create the right canvas size. Go to File, then New. For email newsletters, you want to keep the width between 600 and 800 pixels because that range displays well in most email clients. Set the height to whatever your content needs, keep the resolution at 72 dpi, and make sure the color mode is RGB. That gives you a screen-ready design that stays lightweight and looks correct on devices. Now let's talk about structure, because structure is what gets people to read and click. At the top of your newsletter, place your logo so the brand is instantly recognizable. Under that, add a big headline that is short, bold, and easy to understand in one glance. Then include supporting text in a smaller size, just enough to explain the offer or message. Finally, place a call to action button at the bottom of the main section because that should be the most important clickable element in the design. A good rule here is that your audience should understand the message in 3 to 5 seconds. If they have to think too hard, they'll scroll away. So keep your hierarchy very clear, make the headline stronger than the body text, and make the button visually stand out more than everything else. Next, keep the design minimal. One of the biggest mistakes people make with newsletters is adding too much. Use only 2 fonts max, because too many fonts make the layout feel messy. Stick to 2 or 3 colors so the design stays consistent and professional. Also, make sure you use enough spacing between sections, text blocks, and images. White space helps the email breathe and makes the important parts easier to notice. Now let's create a strong CTA button. Use the rectangle shape tool in Photoshop to draw a clean button shape. Then add simple action text like Shop Now, Get Offer, or Learn More. Use a contrast color so the button pops against the background. The CTA should be the most eye-catching part of the newsletter because that's what drives clicks. If the button blends in, people are less likely to act. For the best results, make the layout mobile friendly from the start. Add guide margins of 24 pixels on each side so your content doesn't feel cramped. Keep text sizes large enough to read on a phone and avoid tiny icons or details that disappear on smaller screens. Center aligning the content can also help create a clean, balanced look, especially for simple promotional newsletters. Once your design is finished, it's time to export correctly. Go to File, then Export, then Save for Web. Choose JPEG or PNG depending on your design, and make sure the final file stays under 200 kilobytes if possible. That helps your email load faster and reduces the chance of broken display issues. And that's the full workflow for designing email newsletters in Photoshop that are clear, clickable, and optimized for engagement. Keep the layout simple, the CTA strong, and the file size light, and you'll have a much better chance of getting opens and clicks. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop and design guides, and I'll see you in the next one.